So today we are going to discuss about development of monocotyledons embryo. So already dicotyledons are completed and this is a monocotyledons embryo development. So monocotyledons development of embryo is normally equal to the dicotyledon embryo up to formation of the arctan stage. In dicotyledon development embryo we discuss about arctan stage and quadrant stage. Up to arctan stage similar to the dicotyledons embryo to monocotyledon embryo. So in this development of monocotyledon embryo found in the plant Sagittaria sagitticifolia. Sagittaria sagitticifolia is the normal or typical study to the development of monocotyledons embryo. Okay, so as usual some of the steps followed in this development of monocotyledons embryo. So in this one, so first zygote. Okay, so zygote undergoes to transverse division and forms two cells. So two cells. So one is the apical cell and another one is basal cell. Basal cell situated at the microphylar end and apical cell situated at the chalazal end. Okay, these are two cells formed, and in that basal cell, so does not any further divisions. So in which cell? In that basal cell there is no any divisions, but the cells much enlarge. The cell is going to much enlarge and vesicular, much enlarge and vesicular, and forms hastoria. This is the basal cell. Okay, now this is the apical cell, and this apical cell again, and this is the apical cell from this. Okay, so this apical cell undergoes to again transfer divisions and forms two cell stages. After that again attend to the three cell stages. Three cell stages is only called proembryo. So in dicotyledon embryo, proembryo is 4 cell, but in monocotyledon embryo, proembryo containing only 3 cells. Okay, so this 3 cell only called proembryo in monocotyledon development embryo. So in the 3 cells are CB, D and C. These 3 cells are CB, D and C. Okay, so in these 3 cells again D cell, so means this cell, D cell undergoes to again division and forms M and Ci cells. Okay, listen careful. So this D cell undergoes to transverse divisions and forms M and Ci cells. Okay, so again M and C cells. M and C cells, two longitudinal divisions. Okay, two longitudinal divisions and forms, so here four pair of 2 rows. Okay, 2 rows of cells are forming. So this is the outer row and this is the inner row. So MC, 2 cells undergoes to 2 longitudinal divisions and forms this 8 cells, and this 8 cells also again in 2 rows, outer row and inner row. Okay, again Ci cell. So this Ci cell undergoes to division and forms N and N dash or N1 cell. Okay, N and N dash cell. Again this N1 cell. Okay, this N1 cell again undergoes to division and forms OP. Okay, OP cells. So this is the basal region of this one, and N1 cell is dividing and forming O and P cell. Okay, so again P cell undergoes to dividing and forms H and S cells. Okay, so one division and forming 2 cells. Okay, H and S cells. Okay, so again in this one periclinal divisions in 4 apical cells. 1, 2, 3, 4 apical cells. In 4 apical cells again periclinal division. So that periclinal divisions again forming dermatogen. Okay, so reason of this one, peritoneal divisions in 4 apical cells, formation of the dermatogen, and remaining MNC cells are forming plerome and peribulum. MNC cells undergoes divide and forming plerome and peribulum. So again C cell. So again C cells under further divisions and forming single cotyledon. Mono means single cotyledon. So okay, again in this single cotyledon or in this monocotyledon's embryo, shoot apex forms laterally. Shoot apex forms laterally. So similar to the dicotyledonous embryos. And axis of embryo and base of cotyledons. So many cotyledons? Only one cotyledon. Axis of embryo and base of cotyledons is also located in lateral position. So locating lateral position. So in remaining cells, this N, O, H, S, C we are discussing. So N cell forming radicle. Okay, so whenever the seed is going to germinating, so this N cell is forming radicle, and O plumule, and H root cap, and S suspension. So again, so in this monocotyledons, only one cotyledon forming. So like this one cotyledon, and here also some of the haustorium forming from the basal cell. Haustorium forming from the basal cell, and only one cotyledon. And shoot apex is also lateral position to the only one cotyledon. In dicotyledon, so between the two cotyledons, shoot apex present. But here only one cotyledon is there. So just that shoot apex is located at the lateral to the one cotyledon. So this is the development of monocotyledonous embryo. Monocotyledon means only one cotyledon containing the embryo. So this is, so once again, basal cell and apical cells from the zygote. Basal cell, there is no any other divisions and forming haustoria, and this L undergoes to some of the following stages at finally forming radicle from N, O from plumule, H cell root cap, and S is going to suspension, and only one cotyledon. Okay, so this is the development of monocotyledon in plant Sagittaria sagittarifolia. Most of the scientists are agreed in this Sagittaria sagittarifolia is the represent to the development of monocotyledonous embryo.